Hi, my loves. Hi, good morning, guys. Hi. Today is Wednesday. What am I even saying, guys? Today is Saturday. Jesus. Today is Saturday, guys. Welcome to another vlog. This vlog is going to be my travel prep vlog. I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. Guys, we're gonna be traveling. I'm not going to tell you guys where I'm traveling to in this vlog, okay? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just want to keep you guys in suspense, okay? But we're going to be traveling, so I just wanted to show you guys what I get up to until the day I'll be traveling, okay? So first off, I want to take down these braids. I remember in my last vlog I told you I'm going to take it off braids. A lot has been going on. I keep moving from one place to another, and I just can't keep up on that. Like, I just couldn't keep up on that. So in this vlog, since it's a prep vlog, I'm going to take it out, and I also want to relax my hair a little bit because I feel like I have new ingrowths. Do you get? I also want to do my nails. My earring just fell off. Hey, Jesus. I also want to do my nails, both my fingers and my toes, and I also want to get like a memory card or an external hard drive because I'll be creating content, you get, and my phone is 128 gigabyte, but it's almost full already. So I feel like I need like an external memory card for storage, do you get? So I need to go over to Vemi Saho again. Guys, when I think about the amount I'm going to spend there, because I know it's not going to cost me less than 5,000 or 10,000, it just make me feel, I don't know, so somehow weird, you get? So but yeah, I just have to do it because, you know, vlogmas is coming up and I want to prepare my videos ahead of time because I'll be doing vlogmas. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but anyways, let me just tell you I'm doing vlogmas and all that. So that is the plan for today, okay? First off, take out these braids. These braids are over a month and a week old. Then do my nails. I buy the external storage thing, and yeah, that'll be it. So if you are ready for my travel vlog, please do subscribe right here. It is free, and also thumbs up the video. Yeah, why not? So guys, I am excited. So let's go.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Hey guys, so I just finished from the salon. I succeeded in, you know, styling my hair. I have never styled my hair like this before. Oh my god, I feel like these aunties that will not allow their junior ones to go visit their friends, like the street aunties. Anyway guys, I am heading to my primary school, where I attended my primary school in Wahala, okay, because tomorrow is Presbyterian Church Day and we have competitions going on. Yesterday we had singing competition, and today is what's it called again, like matches, football competition, handball. I was just informed that if you're a Presbyterian, you understand better that CWF women won the CMF. Guys, can you imagine, like, over football the ladies won 2-1, and I'm so like, oh my god, this is crazy. Anyways, I'm almost there. Right now is the handball is about to start, so I just feel like, okay, let me just use this opportunity and, you know, just have fun. So I'm almost there. Let me show you guys. Government English Practicing Primary School, Bonamusadi. Guys, this is where I had my first school leaving certificate and common entrance. You get. So I'm so happy to be back here after a couple of years. The vlogger is here. Sherry, Afa. I said, hello guys.
Corner. Yes, corner there. Corner for handball. Yes. Corner there for all things. Corner there for handball. Even for golf.
Be there.
Even for golf. Corner there. Like show you. Yeah. Like be there.
You know there for volleyball. I'm not get all volleyball.
That will confuse me. Yeah. You cannot even. We are playing handball and golf.
Can score like this. My high problem.
I have to go climbing for head to air.
That light is very, very important, making my video to be shiny.
Hello guys.
Hello
guys. It's been a wonderful Tuesday. Hey, please come. I feel so terrible about this match today. In fact, I can feel the match in my spirit. My spirit is not moving. I do not play. In fact, I lack spirit right now.
Oh yeah. Actually, we are happy. We don't want to do much. Oh yeah. Hi loves, hi, good morning. Today is Monday and I'm continuing my travel vlog. Okay, I'm continuing this vlog. Okay, so yesterday was Presbyterian Church Day. I didn't want to vlog all of that. Okay, I just wanted to concentrate on this content you get. So today I intend to finish up what I couldn't do on Saturday, and that will be to go do my nails and get the external memory card I told you guys about. I'll also have to pick up some outfits for my tailor if they are ready, and also buy something special. Okay. So without further ado, let's just hit the road because it is almost midday and I feel like I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all of this, but I'm sure I'm going to do it because I'm not in a haste in any way. But yeah, let's just leave the house already. Please guys, if you're enjoying this vlog so far, please do me well to click on the subscribe button right here and thumbs up the video, and why not leave a beautiful comment and also guess where I'm traveling to. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. guys, hi, good evening. It is past 6 p.m. I am about to leave the house to where I'm going to. Please don't ask me why I'm leaving this late. I don't know. Just when I was about stepping out, there's an issue with my lights at the moment. I don't know what I'm going to do because right now my refrigerator is not on. So I have to make sure that before leaving the house, my refrigeration
God have mercy upon us.
my refrigerator should be on. And guys, I decided to change my t-shirt to this because that one was giving me the fatigue vibe. Like, I didn't love how I was looking in that outfit, so I had to change to this t-shirt. And after changing to this t-shirt, it just dawned on me that I have just one t-shirt. Like, seriously, like in any of my videos you guys have seen this. Actually, I can't, like, I really have to do something about it. I still have my shorts on. Okay, so I'll talk to you all when I get to my destination, but for now, let's travel together. I'm sorry, it's not even going to be a road trip because it's already dark, but I will only get to talk to you guys when I get to wherever I am going to. So